Going to the beach is one of life's greatest pleasures. Walking along your favorite, or nearest, stretch of shoreline while soaking up the sun's rays, feeling the sand beneath your feet, and looking out onto the water is at once peaceful and exhilarating. The only thing that can make this experience better is the right beach chair, which allows you to sit, sleep, read, and just enjoy your environment. There are numerous beach chairs on the market full of features that can make your time at the beach more comfortable, while also providing functionality, such as an adjustable seat height, reclining feature, or ease of transportation. These are some of the best beach chairs to add to your outdoor gear collection right now. Number 1. Ostrich Deluxe Padded 3-in-1 Beach Chair. You can experience the ultimate in comfort with the Ostrich Deluxe Padded 3-in-1 Beach Chair. It has a face cushion or pillow, and armholes, so you can lay face down in comfort while sunbathing or lay on your back, sit upright, or recline in one of the 5 different chair positions. There's also a padded footrest that adjusts to 3 different positions. The chair sits 12 inches off the ground. It has wide wooden armrests, a convenient cup holder, and a lumbar pillow. The chair weighs 9.5 pounds and the rust-proof aluminum frame can support up to 275 pounds. There's also a carry strap, and the chair comes in red, blue, green, pink, and a blue and white striped color option. Number 2. King Camp Low Sling Beach Chair. If you prefer a chair that's low to the ground with a high back, consider the King Camp Low Sling Beach Chair. The chair is 9.4 inches off the ground, but it has a high backrest to provide more support. The chair weighs 7 pounds and can support 300 pounds. The chair's feet have large caps to reduce sinking into the sand, and the thick coated steel resists rust. The chair also has a mesh pocket to store your phone, keys and other items, in addition to padded armrests. There's also a soft pillow that serves as a headrest, and a cup holder to keep drinks handy. The beach chair includes a carrying bag and comes in red, rose, green, cyan, and blue, and it also comes in both a high back and a low back version. Features a cup holder on the right side of the beach chair so you can enjoy an entire day of relaxation, a mesh pouch located on the side of the chair to store your keys, phone, and wallet. Number 3. GCI Outdoor Waterside Beach Chair. A beach chair with a sunshade allows you to comfortably spend more time enjoying yourself. The GCI Outdoor Waterside Beach Chair has a sunshade that you can move to the back or front of the chair and then collapse when not needed. The chair is made of aluminum and steel, and the seat has a mesh panel to provide ventilation and help to keep you cool. The chair weighs 9.7 pounds and can support up to 250 pounds. It has 4 backrest positions and a headrest. The chair also includes a large storage pocket in the back, along with a beverage holder. There's no carrying bag, but it does have backpack straps. Equipped with a convenient carry handle, this portable folding chair quickly and easily folds flat for simple storage and transportation. Sturdy aluminum frame supports up to 250 pounds, includes padded arm rests and built-in beverage holder. Quality construction. Constructed from sturdy aluminum and steel, this foldable chair frame supports up to 250 pounds and features a durable mesh backrest for continual airflow. Number 4. Tommy Bahama 5-Position Beach Chair. This Tommy Bahama Backpack Beach Chair is colorful enough to be the perfect beach chair. However, the colorful chair is as functional as it is fun. It weighs only 7.5 pounds, which makes it easy to carry, but can support up to 250 pounds. There are 5 adjustable reclining positions, including the option to lay the chair completely flat. In addition, the chair, which sits 8.5 inches off the ground, is made of a quality material of polyester that dries quickly, along with wooden armrests, and an aluminum frame that resists rust. It also includes plenty of features, such as a towel bar on the back of the chair, an insulated cup holder, and a spacious storage pouch on the back that's large enough to hold 4 water bottles and 6 cans. There's also a built-in bottle cap opener, and a zippered accessory pouch on the side, that's large enough to store a phone and keys. In addition, the chair has a pillow to rest your head and neck on. When you need to transport it, the adjustable shoulder straps make it comfortable to carry. Number 5. Coleman Lightweight Utopia Breeze Beach Chair. If you're on a budget, consider the Coleman Camping Chair, which includes a lot of features for the price tag and doesn't take up much space. This lightweight chair only weighs 5.3 pounds, but has a powder-coated steel frame that can support up to 250 pounds. The low-profile chair, which sits very low to the ground, also includes a bottle holder for your favorite beverage, and a storage compartment in the back for a towel or change of clothes. It's easy to set up, and comes with a carrying bag that makes it convenient to transport the chair. The Coleman Utopia Breeze Beach Chair is crafted with convenience in mind. Its lightweight design ensures easy portability, making it a breeze to carry to your favorite beach spot, camping site, or any outdoor adventure. Say goodbye to bulky chairs and hello to effortless transportability. Relaxation is key, and this beach chair delivers with its 21-inch seat, providing ample space for a comfortable lounging experience. The chair's relaxed design ensures that you can unwind and soak up the sun without a care in the world.